Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to the English Spark Channel podcast. I'm your host, Emily, and I'm excited to share a conversation.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our listeners.
Yeah.
It is truly wonderful to be here today.
It is great to have you, Paul. How are you doing this morning?
I am good, thank you. I am officially awake.
Awake. That is definitely a very important starting point for the day.
Yes, I had my essential morning coffee, so I am alert and ready. How are you, Emily?
I am great. I am very happy today. I had a really productive and peaceful morning.
Oh, that's nice. Starting the day well is certainly very important.
It is. And that good start leads directly to our topic today. We are going to talk all about our daily lives.
Oh.
We are discussing our routines.
Daily routines. Yes. This is a topic everyone can relate to. We all follow a similar pattern every day.
Yes, we do. We all have things we do consistently every day, spanning morning, afternoon, and night.
It sounds very interesting, actually.
Sometimes people mistakenly think the word routine is a boring word.
Maybe. But I think our routines, when we look closely...
I agree. And it is absolutely perfect for English practice.
Yeah.
We use simple, common words and phrases to talk about our entire day.
Exactly. But first, before we discuss our day, we have a quick request for all our listeners.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
If you are listening and you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up for us.
Please do. And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to the English Spark channel.
It helps us so much. And please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you. We truly love our listeners. Okay, Emily?
Yes, Paul.
Daily life. Let's start right at the very beginning. The morning.
Oh, no, the morning.
You do not sound like a fan of the morning.
Emily, I am definitely not a morning person. Not even close.
Oh, really? I am the complete opposite. I am absolutely a morning person. I love the morning.
Ow.
How?
For me, the morning is pure difficulty. It all starts with the dreaded alarm clock.
The alarm clock. That loud sound definitely signals the end of peace.
I do not like that jarring sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is much gentler. I set it to soft, calm music.
That is smart.
And do you get out of bed right away?
I immediately press the snooze button.
The snooze button?
Yes. 5 more minutes, I tell myself.
But is it really only 5 minutes?
Maybe sometimes 5 minutes, then another 5 more minutes right after.
Oh, Paul. So when do you really get out of bed?
When I must. When it is very late, I have to jump out of bed and run because I'm late.
Oh, that is very funny. My morning is completely different and much calmer.
Yeah. Tell me how you manage that.
I wake up very early, often before the sun has risen.
Wow. Why do you do that?
I love the quiet time. The house is very quiet. No car noises, no loud music. It is just me and the stillness.
And what is the first essential thing you do?
The first thing, the absolute most important thing is coffee.
Yes, coffee. Me too. I practically run from the bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, Paul?
I like it very strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just the pure, intense flavor of coffee.
Yes, I like my coffee with a little bit of hot milk. It is very warm and nice, especially on a cool morning.
That sounds good. I drink my coffee quickly while I look at my phone.
Oh, no, not the phone.
Yes, I check the news headlines and all my emails.
See, I don't look at my phone yet. I sit quietly by the window with my coffee. I just reflect and think.
That is very calm. Maybe I should try that habit. Yeah.
It's truly nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have coffee sorted. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very fast for me.
Yeah.
Because as you know, I am late.
No.
I eat toast. Just simple toast with butter, or sometimes I grab a banana.
That is certainly very fast.
Wow.
I like to eat a good, hearty breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I even take the time to make eggs. I wake up early, remember? That's the secret.
That's true. Okay. So after breakfast, we get ready for the rest of the day.
Yes. I take a shower. I really like a very hot shower to wake me up fully.
Me too. A hot shower is absolutely good for waking up and feeling refreshed.
Yeah.
And then the difficult part, choosing clothes.
Oh, yes. The wardrobe struggle. I look in my closet. I have many clothes. What?
I have nothing to wear.
Yes, I know that ridiculous feeling well. It is so silly. I have so many clothes, but I feel paralyzed by choice. My system for dressing is extremely easy and fast.
What is your secret system, Paul?
I primarily only have blue shirts. No, really? Just blue? Yes.
Blue shirts, white shirts, gray shirts. Very simple and predictable. I just grab one and I am done.
Paul, that is a very smart and practical approach.
It is easy. No thinking required. Thinking is for later when I'm at work.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt on. I finally managed to find a dress, and then it is time for work. Yes.
Time to go to work.
How do you travel to work? Do you drive your own car?
No, I take the bus.
The bus. Is the commute enjoyable?
It is okay. It is very crowded. Many, many people crammed onto the bus.
I don't like crowded places either. That sounds stressful.
But I have a strategy. I listen to music.
I put in my headphones and I listen to music or a podcast.
Oh, a podcast.
Yeah, a good podcast, naturally.
Yes.
Sometimes I even listen to the English Spark channel.
Yes.
Sometimes I even listen to the English Spark channel for good practice.
Good choice, Paul.
What about you, Emily? How do you get to the office?
I drive my car. It is nice, but the traffic is definitely not nice at all.
Oh, yes. The traffic. So many cars moving slowly.
So many cars, all going very, very slow. Stop. Go, stop, go. It takes forever.
Oh, that is boring and frustrating.
It is. I listen to music too, loud music to drown out the
Okay,
noise.
so we are finally at work.
Yes. What is your typical workday like, Paul? Is it constantly busy?
Yes, it is always busy. The first thing I do when I arrive is more
Of course,
coffee.
the second coffee is crucial.
I go to my desk, I turn on my computer, and so many waiting emails.
The emails. I know that feeling well.
I read emails.
I write emails.
Mhm.
Then I usually have several team meetings.
Yes, exactly like that very long meeting. Lots of talking.
My day is similar. I talk to people. I help people. I generally like my job, but yes, too many emails.
What about lunch? This is definitely my favorite part of the workday routine.
Me too. Food is always important.
Do you bring your lunch from home or do you always buy lunch near the office?
I usually bring my lunch.
Oh, that is very good. Very organized and efficient.
Yes,
So
I quickly make a salad or a sandwich at home in the morning.
wow, you make eggs in a sandwich? It is easy and most importantly, it is cheap.
Buying lunch every single day is very expensive.
That is true.
So you buy lunch every day?
Yes, I go to a small cafe near my office.
Mhm.
I buy a sandwich or a soup.
Is the food good there?
It is very good. And I like to walk for 10 minutes. It's nice to get out of the office building.
Yes, that is important to walk a little bit and breathe fresh air.
And in the afternoon, do you hit the famous slump?
Oh, yes. I get very sleepy.
Yes, exactly 3 p.m. My eyes start to droop.
Do you drink more coffee to stay awake?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Or I drink a soothing cup of tea, usually green tea.
Green tea is good for energy.
I eat a small snack,
An apple?
an apple.
Very healthy.
I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too for a little sugar boost.
Okay, so 5 p.m., the workday is officially finished.
Yes, the best time of the day.
I go home on the bus again. I am very tired now. I just look passively out the window.
I go home in my car,
The traffic is bad again.
unfortunately,
Oh, no.
but I am happy because I am finally going home.
Yes, home is truly the best feeling.
Yes.
What is the first thing you do when you open your door?
Good question. I put down my keys, I put down my bag, and I immediately say hello to my dog.
Oh, you have a dog. What's his name?
Yes.
His name is Max. He is always extremely happy to see me. He
Yeah.
jumps up and he barks excitedly.
Oh, that is so nice. A lovely welcome home.
Yeah. I open the door and I say hello to my cat.
You have a cat?
Yes. Her name is Bella.
Is Bella happy to see you?
Oh, I see. She is a cat. She just looks at me. She says, meow. I think that means hello. Now give me food.
Cats, they are the real bosses of the house.
Yes, Bella is the true boss of my house.
So after you greet your pets, what is the next step in your evening routine?
I change my clothes. This is extremely important for relaxation.
I take off my work clothes, my dress, and I put on my comfy clothes.
Not pajamas?
Not pajamas, not yet. Just comfortable clothes. A soft t-shirt or sweatpants.
Yes, me too. Comfortable clothes. It feels so good to relax. And then it's usually dinner time.
Yes, I am always hungry by then.
Do you cook dinner, Emily? I do. I actually like cooking. It is a very relaxing hobby for me.
Really? For me, cooking is stressful.
Stressful.
I am a bad cook, Emily.
A very bad cook.
Oh no.
I always burn things. I've burned the chicken. I've burned the rice. One time, I think I even burned the water.
Paul, how in the world do you burn water?
I don't know. I forgot it was on the stove. All the water was completely gone.
Oh my goodness. So what safe meals do you eat for dinner?
I cook simple things like pasta with tomato sauce, or I make eggs.
Eggs again.
Eggs are easy.
Or I just order food delivery.
Like pizza.
Yes, I love pizza. Pepperoni pizza is my favorite.
Pizza is a great dinner. I like cooking. I cut vegetables. I listen to music. I like to make soup or pasta.
That sounds delicious. You are a very good cook.
It is just simple, enjoyable food.
Yeah.
The sofa.
And Bella the cat, she sits with me.
She sits on me and she sleeps there all evening.
No, not yet. I watch TV.
What kind of shows or movies do you watch?
I like funny movies, comedies. I definitely need to laugh after a long, stressful day.
Yes, laughing is excellent therapy.
What about you? Do you watch TV sometimes?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Or I read a book. And I also have to walk my dog, Max.
Oh, yes, the dog needs a walk.
He needs a walk.
Yeah.
So we go outside for a short, peaceful walk.
Is it nice outside at night?
It is very nice. It is quiet. I look at the stars in
in the sky.
That sounds lovely. My cat Bella, unfortunately, does not like walk.
So after your walk, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed early. I am a morning person, remember? I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Yes, I like to sleep a lot. I brush my teeth, I put on my pajamas, and I read in bed for 10 minutes, then asleep.